Hello friends, thank you for joining me again. After my last video, I got quite a few emails, and there was this one email I want to talk about. It was from a woman. She said she had a lot of things on her mind, and when she started them, she didn't get encouragement from her family, and that pulled her down. So I thought of telling you those five things that were coming to my mind that you must keep in mind because you are responsible for yourself. Remember, you are unique and there's nobody else like you. And you can be your own best friend like no one else because unless you love yourself, don't expect anything from others. So, what are those five things? Let's come to them directly. Now, the first one is stop becoming codependent. Don't always seek validation from others. Let's not become beggars. We don't want begging. We don't want to be going around begging for validation. You post a picture and then you wait for the likes. Oh my god, you look 100 times, I just got 100 likes or 200 likes, or I liked her picture or I liked his picture, but I didn't get it back. No, you have to like your picture. You have to love yourself. Depend on yourself. Look at your project and ask yourself how you like it. Teach that to your children as well when they show you their painting. Ask them how they like it rather than waiting for the teacher or the friends or you or others. That's number one. Stop seeking validation. Number two. Number two is solving your problems. You see, you have been given a mind and a body, and you are the soul. You are the awareness behind. Surely you can solve your problems yourself, whether it's trying to get out of a debt or trying to lose weight or trying your children to do better, whatever else. You can solve it yourself. We've talked about it before. Your mind is the tool. You have to empower your mind. You have to tap into its stillness. Solutions are there. You just have to get hold of them. Take control of your life. Number three, controlling your emotions and not being waylaid by others' emotions. When someone says to you, "Oh, I lost my temper," don't believe him because that is bullshit. Completely bullshit. Nobody loses his or her temper. When your child uh, breaks a plate, you might say, "Well, I lost my temper," and you shout at your child. But what happens when the boss's child breaks the plate? You do the same thing. At that time, you say, "Well, it's okay, never mind, we'll get another plate." You know what to say when. You don't shout in a meeting because you lost your temper. Just don't believe it. And if you think you lose your temper, you get angry sometimes, just take a breather. Just take a breather. Just count five. You know this trick. This is a common trick. And more than that, start becoming the observer. Observe your thoughts at that time and see them fizzle away. When you observe something, it just moves away, it just goes away. The same happens to negative thoughts. Point number four is stop procrastinating, waiting for perfection, waiting for that I'll start my project the day I get it perfect. No, there's no perfection in this world. Just dive straight in. Stop bothering about what others will say and work on it. Right or wrong, forget it. Take a decision, work on it. Stop procrastinating. Stop putting things off for tomorrow. Do it today, bit by bit by bit, and you will reach there. And last point, very important, be a giver. Always be on the giving side rather than on the receiving end. I'm talking about Newton's third law. What does Newton's third law say? For every action, there is an opposite and equal reaction. Now, this is Newton's third law of motion, but it's also the same. It's the parallel. It's got a parallel in the universe. When you start giving to others, whether it's love, whether it's whatever else, whether it's material things, you just watch, observe for a few days. See how things keep start flowing to you. When you start giving, things will start coming to you. That is also the law of karma, that whatever you do comes right to you, comes right back to you. So remember these five things. Be responsible for yourself, solve your problems yourself. Life will become a bliss. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me this morning. Do subscribe if you haven't, and Tell me your experiences. I'd love to hear you. Bye.